Bafahla amakhaza wanamhlanje ekuseni ngehloso yokwenza okuhle. Abatshayeli bebatshayela endleleni iN1 South babone ngomhlolo omkhulu wehlangano le othi akutshutjhiswe boke laba abathindekako ukulingena ukuthumba kulawulwa kombuso. I-I-Outa ithi le indlela yokuqinisekisa bona ubulungiswa benzeka msinya.
We are a bit concerned that NPA and other law enforcement agencies are not doing enough in as far as prosecution is concerned. That is taking its toll to the public.
Ihlangano le ithi umphakathi owenze bona umphathi waphambilini we-SAA uDudu Myeni aqalane nesandla somthetho.
The only person who suffered any consequences up from the beginning of the commission up until now is Myeni, and it took a civil society organization to take her to court and to declare her as a delinquent director for life.
Iphiko lezokutshutjhiswa komphakathi lithi lihloma isiqhema sabatshutshisi abakhethekileko abazokuqalelela amacala avela embikweni wekomitjhini kaZondo. Abatshayeli baveza amazizwe abo ngokubana ingabe kwenziwa kwaneleko ukutshutshisa laba abathindeka izenzweni zokulinga ukuthumba ilawulo lombuso.
No, I actually don't think so. But I must say, I like Judge Zondo.
No, I don't think they're doing enough. I think they can do better.
Iphiko lokutshutjhiswa komphakathi ligandelela bona amacala aphathelene nokulinga kokuthunjwa kokulawula kombuso bona atloliswe emakhotho enyangeni ezizakwezini.